Hi everyone, welcome to Amina Creations. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am going to do an unboxing and review video of a DIY bracelet kit that I purchased recently. I am sharing the link in the description box in case you are interested to buy. So let's see what are the things we get in this kit. Here we get a 10-meter long elastic wire to make the bracelets. And then there is a small box containing 6 different colors of beads. The beads came in a packet, so I am going to organize them. This way it is easy to make the bracelets. The quality of the beads is very good and they are colorful and vibrant. And now I am making a bracelet. For this I have taken a 20 cm long wire and I am cutting it out. I am inserting the beads. I am using pink, light pink, peach and white color beads and repeating the pattern. Once we get the desired length, we can tie 2 or 3 knots tightly and then cut off the extra bits. Making bracelets is very simple, especially using this elastic wire and beads. And that's it, our bracelet is ready. In this way we can use different color beads to make different designs of bracelets. So I hope you guys like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. We'll be back with another video very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.